Behold, the 2026 Aptera Solar EV, the 1,000-mile car. This liquid silver marvel glides from California to Cairo with solar-powered efficiency. With futuristic design and unmatched range, it's Aptera's ultimate electric vehicle. Join us as we explore its sleek aesthetics, innovative cabin, and groundbreaking solar tech. Let's dive into Aptera's revolutionary EV. Exterior design. The 2026 Aptera Solar EV, a 172-inch three-wheeler, redefines efficiency. Its front end features teardrop-shaped LED headlights, a lightweight composite body, and an Aptera badge for futuristic flair. The side profile showcases integrated 700-watt solar panels and 3 in-wheel motors. With a 0.13 drag coefficient, it's built for ultimate range. At the rear, LED taillights and a solar panel array enhance aerodynamics. Colors like liquid silver, solar black, and lunar white radiate sleek style. Compared to the Lightyear 2 and Sono Scion, the Aptera excels in range and solar efficiency, though it seats fewer. In liquid silver, it's a standout, whether cruising Arizona or parked in Athens. This solar EV redefines eco-driving for 2026. Interior features. Step into the 2026 Aptera Solar EV's 2-seat cabin with vegan leather seats, silver stitching, and a panoramic windshield complementing the liquid silver exterior. A 15-inch touchscreen with solar UI and a digital gauge cluster deliver intuitive control. The 6-speaker audio system ensures clear sound. The front seats, wrapped in vegan leather with Aptera logos, offer 8-way power adjustment and heating. Carbon fiber accents enhance the futuristic vibe. The 32 cubic foot cargo area offers surprising utility for a 2-seater, trailing the Lightyear 2 sedan space, but ideal for road trips. The Aptera prioritizes eco-focused practicality. Performance and technology. The 2026 Aptera Solar EV boasts 3 in-wheel motors, delivering 201 horsepower, a 100 kilowatt-hour battery, and a 400-mile EPA range, with solar adding up to 40 miles daily. It hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds with aerodynamic wheels and a lightweight chassis for agile handling. Its 150 kilowatt DC charging adds 100 miles in 10 minutes. Solar charging and a 360-degree camera optimize efficiency. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates ensure modern connectivity. Compared to the Lightyear 2, estimate 215 horsepower, 500 miles, and Sono Scion, estimate 160 horsepower, 190 miles, the Aptera leads in solar integration, though total range is lower than Lightyear. Its design dominates efficiency in 2026. Pricing and release info. The 2026 Aptera Solar EV starts at $34,900 in the US and CAD $47,000 in Canada. Built in San Diego, California. Deliveries begin summer 2026. With solar-powered range and futuristic style, it's an eco-driver's dream. Check aptera.us for details. This solar EV is unstoppable. The 2026 Aptera Solar EV is the 1,000-mile car, blending efficiency with cutting-edge solar tech. It's Aptera's triumph. Next up, the 2026 Lightyear 2 Solar Electric Sedan. Smash that like button, subscribe to Future Cars and Concepts, and comment, would you drive this solar EV? Catch you in the electric future.